The Phonics Alphabet, letters and sounds. Core objective: to learn the English alphabet by matching each letter name with its natural spoken sound. The Phonics Alphabet Practice Chart. Practice by saying the letter name first and then repeating the phonetic sound twice out loud. How to practice this lesson effectively. To train your mouth muscles and memorize these sounds quickly, follow these 3 simple steps. 1. Listen and repeat. Step 1. Read through the chart from A to Z. Say the letter name clearly, then make the sound twice using your tongue and lips. 2. The mirror test. Step 2. Practice sounds like F, M, V, and Z in front of a mirror. Make sure your lips and teeth are in the right position to create the vibrations. 3. Random pointing. Step 3. Point to letters completely out of order, for example, M, then G, then T. Try to say their spoken sounds instantly without looking at the helper text. Direct hit important lesson takeaway. These are the foundational blocks of the entire English language. If you practice them daily and remember how they sound, reading full words will become much easier very soon. Keep up the great work. Practice often, and see you next time.